Hello guys and welcome to my Mazda RX-8 channel. My name is Serge. On this channel, we're learning together about the ownership of Mazda RX-8s. So in this video, I want to show you how to replace your air filter and actually how to get this air box removed. A lot of people struggle with these things, but actually it's a lot easier than it looks. Let me show you how to do it. Are you ready? Let's begin. So the very first thing I'm going to remove is this little screw bolt right here. You don't need to remove it that much. I'm also going to loosen this one up. Okay. So this one's loose. I'm going to loosen up just a little bit more. Okay. All right. So we're going to unplug the mass airflow sensor, which is right here. Just gonna leave it be right here, and we need to unlock this airbox. This can be a little bit tricky, so make sure you wear your gloves, because the way this box inserts, it's kind of like you have to pull it like towards the top like this to get it released. I've seen everybody do it all these different ways, but technically you don't even need to open this up. You know, the whole thing just comes out. But anyways, let's go ahead and put the airbox. So here's all the components. I'm gonna show you the easy way to put things back. And of course, this is this filter does need replacing because it does have some oil on it. So let's go ahead and actually get things shut. Flip it over. Everybody always has trouble with these air boxes. It's the installation and it is the removal procedure. I watched a lot of videos, people trying to install them, and I haven't seen anybody doing this because I just seen people struggle with it because, you know, there's really no easy way about it. But what I do is removal and installation the same way. I install the whole complete airbox, and then basically, you know, I have this loose right here, that throttle body, and it allows me to align it just right. So it's a very simple installation, if you ask me. And then you just basically put this right back like that. And let's see. Yeah. So that is good, and we could go ahead and actually plug this in just like that. So there you go, and the airbox is installed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And just like that, the video is over. Guys, if this was helpful to you, consider subscribing. Also hit a like in this video. It doesn't cost anything. The whole idea of this channel is to share information with other Mazda RX-8 owners. So if you guys have any of your friends or social media, please share these videos on social media. That way the very few RX-8 owners that do exist can get the help that they deserve when it comes to working on the Mazda RX-8. Guys, please support the channel by subscribing. That is all. Hit the like button and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.